Hi everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this package that I received from Plant Mojo. This order has 3 indoor plants, jade plant, snake plant and a money plant, which is also known as Pothos. So let's see how the plants look like and what condition they are in. Although I'm going to give 5 stars for the packaging because the ensured ceramic is well packed. It's a fragile product, but they ensure that it is well packed and it's not broken during transit. But I'm quite disappointed with the snake plant because there's barely any plant in it. Now let's see how my jade plant is going to look like. As you can see, they have fastened this box on both the ends with a rope so that the box has a fine grip and is not broken. I must say I'm quite satisfied with the jade plant. It looks healthy. The size is however a bit small, but it's still cute. So it's a thumbs up for the jade plant. Now let's open and see the last box, which has the money plant. Now the size of each ceramic pot is about 8.5 centimeters. Although I'm not satisfied with the snake plant, I like these pots because they are really cute and they add beauty to my indoor decor. Now what I really like about this order is they also hand out these pamphlets that have the care instructions for each plant, the description, plant size, common names, bloom time, lighting required, fertilizing, and all the other care instructions that are required to take care of the plant. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a like, share and please subscribe. Thank you.